Hi everyone. For my creating and recrafting project this month, the prompt was ribbons and lace. So I have made some little lace window cards. Now this is the ones I started out with, and I just used paper. They still work, they're quite thin, but they're good. I'm loving them. And you can use these as like pockets in your journals and then put, you know, another card behind, and you'll be able to look like little windows in your journals. So as you can see with this one, I've just got two pieces of card with the lace sandwiched in the middle, die cut round, and just put some embellishments on, some lace at the bottom and a little ribbon bow at the top. This one, I've got this lovely little cluster from Kathy at Kathy's Favourite Things in Happy Mail. Thank you, Kathy. Finally got round to using it. This one's got some lace, got threads everywhere, and I've put a pin through to hold the tag on, just like that. That would be fine. And this one is in honour of my baby. This one is a little wedding one, and I've just put some more lace excuse me, and a little heart and a dangle, and just simple. I'm going to show you how to make them, and we're going to decorate one up. So get rid of all the threads. I'm just going to put them up there out the way. So all I did was I got a piece of card, doesn't matter what card, and a piece of decorative paper. You could use packaging if you want. I just was using up these cards that I got from the car boot. And I die cut a shape through both at the same time, which worked out fine. Doesn't matter what size they are because you can cut them down afterwards. I'm using this really delicate lace today, and I just want that bit of flower coming through. So you just sandwich them together. So what I did on my other ones was I actually put the glue around the window. Come out. So you can make your shape in the centre, whatever shape you like. So I popped mine right on the edge and then sandwich them together with your lace in between. If you don't want to use lace, you could use vellum or tracing paper. That would be cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my sewing machine round the outside edge just to keep it all neat inside. There you go. Now, obviously, if you haven't got access to a sewing machine, you can just put more glue on and glue right up to the edges. I do sort of quite like the sewing machine finish, and I'm not going to save them. So there we've got the base of the card. Let's just get the bits out of the way, which on its own is super, super pretty. We're just going to decorate it up a bit. So I've got a little word. This came from Chic. I've got this lace, which is really super cute. I never know which way laces go up. Whichever way you like, I guess. I think that would look quite nice. And I've got this, which is just a perfect match. I don't know how I do it, because all my stuff, as you know, is thrifted. Sometimes things just match. Sometimes they don't. I've got a little bow I want to put on as well. I just want nice, simple ones. So I might glue this onto here. I'm going to cut off. Do you know what? I don't know now where to put the word. I'm thinking maybe something like, maybe I could put that in the middle. I don't know why I'm being symmetrical. I think that looks pretty. I'm going to go with it. I'm trying not to overthink things. Might have, oops, hello. Ew, sticky. Just go with it. Now, do we want this in that opposite corner, or do we want the word at the top with the bow? Oh, the decision. Don't overthink it. What did I just say to myself? Don't overthink it. And what am I doing? Yep, overthinking. I'd have it like that. Do you know what? I'm going to stick this down because my glue is oozing out the top of this. And then, obviously, I had my bits, but I didn't have a plan of what I was going to do with them. And we're just going to... Which way is up? Which way is up? I think it's that way. So we'll glue this side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then I might put it there. So just hold it all down for one moment. And I am going to trim that off because it's really annoying me. Just sort of, I'll cut it straighter. Should have ironed my lace, really. It looks like a little house. So there we go. Those are my tags for ribbon and lace. So we would like to thank you for joining in. Everybody who joined in along the way with this collaboration of, you know, using your stash, saving your cash. We would like to say thank you. So we're on to our new collab, which is Swap and Sew. And all the details are going to be in my description box because I've already done a video on announcing that. So is Jovi. You may not be able to join in for June, but we are doing it again in August and in October. So plenty of time to join in if you want to. And thank you for joining us for creating and recrafting. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye for now.